Chapter 10, Synchronistic Reflections that Weave a Web of Lies and Deceit. At the age of 40 years old, I would be bombarded with nonstop downloads because this world has been nothing but a story lie. All of the synchronicities have been patterns that algorithmically and thoughtlessly connected a web to project a story. I had no idea that the details from scene to scene were eerily similar to the point of disbelief. After realizing my philosophical occult roots led to the initiation of who I really was, Source, everything became a reflection of subconscious thought being projected outward. The 13 bloodlines are considered to be the roots of the Illuminati Freemason skull and bones. This reflective web is just symbolic of the origins of man. The astrological wheel actually has 13 signs, a fucus being the hidden sign that sets in between Sagittarius and Capricorn, acting as a ghostwriter for this story lie. This is another part of how the images and webs of synchronicities create the story of humanity. Blood is red/blue, creating black ink to weave together a story that is based on nothing but synchronistic lies. Everything referring to the astrological wheel is symbolic for creation. My astrological blueprint is the conscious realization of the birth of this world. Each house on the astrological wheel is represented by some sort of object that forms and personifies the imaginary projected image and storyline of a quote-unquote person. For example, the numbers associated with a birth date create the astrological image and storyline of a quote-unquote person, deceitfully projected outwards. This isn't even a mirroring effect. It's using information stored in my conscious to project a scene in motion. Milk is white, and white is a blank canvas to project. The Milky Way galaxy is now easy for me to read. The solar system, with all its celestial bodily energies, demonstrates how a conscious is realized. The astrological wheel is a computerized influence that scientifically delusionalizes the idea of multiple human life paths. Numbers, letters, and symbols is just information that esoterically and deceitfully/wrongfully develops these copied images of projected people to act in my story of quote-unquote man unkind. My conscience is now able to become fully aware of this storyline on a subconscious level. This is my enlightened brain that has stripped away the delusion/illusion of this unrealistic projectory world. My body is the complete anatomical system that manifests a real existence as source. World War I and II represent a symbolic meaning, and now I've approached World War III. World War III is a symbolic representation of a